Hi everyone! Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a smoked sausage and kale soup. It's very cold outside, so we're all craving some nice, warm, delicious soup. This one's really easy to make. Let me show you how it's done. First, we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the bottom of a big pot. And we're gonna heat that oil to medium-high so that we can brown the smoked turkey sausage. And so I'm gonna evenly distribute these and leave them alone for a minute just to let them brown. And then I'm gonna turn each one of them so that I can get some nice color on each piece of sausage. As you can see, these pieces I've cut about 3/4 of an inch thick in a diagonal shape just because it looks really nice, but you can cut it whichever way you prefer. Now we're going to add 1 medium onion diced. This onion is going to help release the bits and pieces that are stuck in the bottom of the pot. So you want to try and scrape off some of that because there's a lot of flavor in there. And so we're going to cook these onions until they're translucent, and then we're going to add 3 garlic cloves, finely minced. And we're going to cook those until we can smell the nice garlic aroma. Then we're going to add our spices, which is 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're just going to heat those spices up so they become nice and flavorful. I'm adding here 1 small can of chickpeas and then about 4 cups of kale. The chickpeas is a very healthy source of carbohydrate in this soup. It can easily be interchangeable with diced sweet potato, would go really well with this. So you could do the chickpeas or you could do the sweet potato if you prefer. And we're going to cook this down until the kale is almost wilted so that we make it nice and tender. Now, if you prefer the kale to have more of a crunch when you're eating this soup, then I would not add it in this step and add it towards the end after we've cooked the soup down. Now we're going to add 6 cups of chicken stock. You can use low sodium chicken stock and then add salt to taste, or you can use just normally salted stock. Just choose whichever stock is your favorite from the market. And at this point you can give it a taste to see if you need to adjust the flavors, add any salt. Then we're going to bring this soup to a boil and then down to a simmer, and we're going to let it simmer at least 15 minutes so the flavors combine really nicely. As you can see, this soup at this point is complete, so now we are ready to serve. I love this soup. It's super flavorful, very light yet very filling and satisfying. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.